Schüler. Heute lernen wir von Buch Deutsch Kreativ Interaktiv. So this is for class 9, standard 9. The first lesson we are going to learn Hobbies. Freizeitaktivitäten means free time activities and Persönlichkeiten, that is the personalities. So here they have given some famous German personalities. Steffi Graf mit Familie, Steffi Graf with family, Boris Baker, Florian Lucas. So some other famous personalities of Germany they have given here. Now let's start from Eins A 1. Hobbys und Freizeitaktivitäten, Hobbies and Free Time Activities. I'm reading this. Was magst du in deiner Freizeit? What do you do in your free time? Sortiere bitte die Hobbys und die Freizeitaktivitäten. So, sort out the hobbies and the free time activities. So, this activity you are supposed to do in your notebook. So, what is this? Here in the box, they have given different activities. I'm going to read out this for you. The translation you will definitely find in the description box. Let's start first. Briefmarken, Tanzen, Nähen, Tischtennis, Schwimmen, Cricket, Fernsehen, Radtour machen, Computerspiele, Fußball, Tennis, Singen, Zeichnen, Lesezeichnen, Lesen, Pictionary spielen, Münzen und Geldscheine, Aufkleber, in die Disco gehen, Comics, Flöte, Klavier oder Violin spielen, Häkeln, Origami, Ski fahren, ins Kino gehen, Papier falten, basteln, im Internet surfen, in einer Bahn spielen. So this activity, what you have to do here, they have given one network diagram. So there you have to add that. So Hobbys und Freizeitaktivitäten, Musik und Tanz, Aktivitäten allein, alone, mit Freunden, with the friends or mit der Familie, with the family. Sport, Wintersport, Abenteuersport, the adventurous sport. Handarbeit, the handwork. And Sammeln, the collection. So from this box, which hobbies will match with which circle or which network diagram, that you have to write. One example I will tell you. For example, Briefmarken, postal stamps, that comes under collection, so that you can write under Sammel. So this activity you have to do in your notebook. Now let's start with the next page. Wer hat welche Hobbys? Who has which hobbies? Your own ordner bitte zu. Listen and order it. So this is with the CD. So I'm just going to read it out for you. Meine Hobbys sind Fußball spielen und lesen. Und deine? Meine Hobbys sind Computerspiele und basteln. Und deine? So this boys and girls are telling their hobbies. You have to match. Just understand the meaning of this. Next. 3. Ich singe gern und ich spiele auch Klavier. Und du? Meine Hobbys sind Malen und Briefmarken sammeln. Und deine? Ich tanze gern. Ich gehe oft in die Disco. Und du? So the meaning of this hobbies you will get in the description box. Now here is this. Und du? Was sind deine hobbies? And you, what are your hobbies? So you are supposed to write down your hobbies. For example, ich spiele cricket gern. I like to play the cricket. Or whatever your hobby, you can write the answer. Now let's come to the next page. 1a2. Wer kann was? Who can do what? So students, where means who, and was means what. I'm reading this. Ordner bitte die Aussagen, die then bilden zu. So here they have given some sentences which you have to match with this above photos. I'm reading this one by one for you. Ich kann wunderbar kochen. I can cook wonderful. Ich kann leider noch nicht so gut Tennis spielen. Unfortunately, no, I cannot play a good tennis. C. Ich kann super Saxophon spielen. I can play saxophone very nicely. D. Ich kann stundenlang lesen. For long hours I can read. E. Ich kann wie ein Rockstar singen. I can sing like a rockstar. F. Ich kann lustige Gedichte schreiben. I can write funny Gedichte, that is the poems. Ha. Ich kann wie Michael Jackson tanzen. So I can dance like Michael Jackson. G, which already they have given. Ich kann gut schwimmen. I can swim good. I, that is E in German. Ich kann Karikaturen zeichnen. I can draw the characters. In J, ich kann Ski fahren und Ich kann Ski fahren und Schlittschuh laufen. So I can I can do a skiing. So this you have to match with the photos. Now the next question, this is with this hearing part, listening part. We are not going to do that here. Now this, they are just asking, was kannst du alles? What all things you can do? So, ich kann singen, Tischtennis spielen, zeichnen, schwimmen. So, whatever things you can do, that you can write here. So, this is a modal verb, kann. So, the grammar we are not going to learn in this video, that we will be learning in the class. Yes, we will do the next page. 1 a 3. Wenn oder was kennst du? When oder was magst du? So students, when is an accusative question we use for a person. When means whom. So whom do you know or what do you know? Or when oder was magst du? Students, magen is to like. So whom do you like or what do you like? Here they have given some photos of famous personalities and the famous places. Now these are the dialogues. Of course, the translation you will find in the description box. I will just read out this for you. 1. Rainer, wer ist das? Kunal, das ist Sachin Tendulkar. Kennst du ihn nicht? Rainer, nein. Kunal, ist ein toller Cricketspieler. Now, Nummer 2. Fabian, kennst du dieses Schloss? Shreya, nein, ich kenne es leider noch nicht. Wo ist es denn? Fabian, das ist das Märchenschloss, Schloss Neuschwanstein in Bayern. Nummer 3. Wer ist das? Parul, das ist Jona Kathleen Rowling. Kennst du sie nicht? Marie, oh ja, sie ist eine weltberühmte Schriftstellerin. Parul, die Autorin von Harry Potter aus Großbritannien. Now, they have given this und jetzt erzähle bitte. Same thing you have to do with the other photos which they have given above. Das ist Sachin Tendulkar. Ich kenne ihn. Ist Cricketspieler. Das ist Serena Williams. Kennst du sie? So with the Serena Williams, you can just form a dialogues like they have formed for a Sachin Tendulkar. Next, das ist Taj Mahal. Ich kenne es. Ich besuche es im November. I'm going to visit in November. So same like that Mersenne-Schloss, Neuschwanstein, you can form a dialogue for this. And for a pyramid also. Das sind die Pyramiden. Ich kenne sie. Sie sind in Ägyptien. Wie findest du sie? How do you find it? So with this page number 5, all the translation we have done, students. Now, where is das? Was is das? Ordner bitte zu. So where means who and was means what. So here they have given 7 dialogues and some photos which you try to match. I am reading these dialogues for you, students. The first one. Ich kenne ihn, aber kennt mich nicht. I know him but he doesn't know me. Nummer 2. Ich sehe sie, aber sie sieht mich nicht. I can see her but she can't see me. Nummer 3. Versteht mich nicht. He doesn't understand me. 4. Ich brauche dich, aber brauchst du mich auch? I need you, but do you also need me? 5. Ich höre sie, aber sie hören mich nicht. I can hear her, but she can't hear me. 6. Ich mag dich, aber magst du mich? I like you, but do you like me? Nummer 7. Du hast mich nicht, aber liebst du mich? You don't hate me, but do you love me? So, they have given here some another question. Wer sagt das? Means who says that? That you have to guess. Either Freund, male friend, boyfriend, Lehrerin, female teacher, Mutter, mother, Nachbar, neighbor, Schulkamerad, your schoolmate, or Klassenkameradin, your female classmate. So these are the dialogues. Bitte stört uns nicht, don't disturb us. Ich liebe dich nicht, I don't love you. Langweile mich nicht, don't bore me. Besuchen Sie uns bitte wieder, please visit us again. Ich hasse dich, I hate you. Ich sehe euch nächstes Wochenende wieder. Next weekend I will see you again. Du störst mich, you are disturbing me. And the last one here. Ruf mich bitte heute Abend an. Call me today evening. So this guessing work you have to do, that we will be discussing in the class. And now, this one. Deutsch macht Spaß, Deutsch makes fun. Wie viele Aktivitäten findest du? Markiere bitte. Wann magst du was? Wann means when. Which activity you do when? That you have to write. So, here, in this cast tense, some activities are hidden, and when you do those activities, that you have to do. So first one is schlafen, which they have given here, and this we are writing in activity schlafen, and when we are doing this, in der Nacht means in the night. So same, find out the other activities and you are supposed to write down or fill these two columns. Okay, so students, do this activity. Okay, and then we will discuss this in a class. Okay, so students, as it is a quite big lection, so the remaining lection we will learn in next video. Okay, till then, choose.